afternoon, Alicia. Well, today the City of Cape Town, they are still currently locked in an in-camera hearing in the Western Cape High Court. And as you've mentioned, they are battling over accessibility to information relating to the possibility of e-tolling in the Western Cape. So the merits of the actual process, the merits of the process of e-tolling being rolled out, that's not necessarily on the table. What they are fighting about today is the information being made public. Now, plans are afoot for e-tolling in the province, with gantries supposed to be built on the N1 and the N2. And last year, SANRAL was in fact prevented through an interdict to carry on with these plans until they furnished the city with the precise information relating to the costing of the project as well as the proposed tariffs. SANRAL has now applied to the court for the documents with this information to be kept secret from the public and the media. And today the city is arguing against this information being sealed, saying it directly affects the public's pockets and therefore citizens need to be made aware of all the financial implications. And as I mentioned earlier, the hearing was closed, so we are not allowed in. And we had to rely on information from interested parties outside the court. Right to know they wanted to be involved and make submissions as friends of the court, but they were in fact kicked out.
Now, Abra, going forward, what can we expect from either the City of Cape Town or SANRAL regarding this matter? Do we even know when this tolling of the N1 and N2 is supposed to commence in that region at this stage?
At this stage, we don't have that information. We are in constant contact with the City of Cape Town. They are still currently behind closed doors. We are just playing the waiting game. We are making contact with them regularly, trying to find out if we can hear anything. Parties are behind closed doors, and we're hoping that something will come out today. We were just told that it might even carry on until tomorrow. We have not heard anything from SANRAL yet. I have tried to call their spokespeople. They're not getting back to me. They have sent out a press release saying that the matter is sub judice and they won't address it through the media. So we just have to, we just have to pay attention to what's happening. We have to just keep on trying to get information from various interested parties. But Alicia, what I can tell you is that I did speak to some senior legal minds who told me that it is very unusual for a case of this nature to be held in camera, especially since it does affect the public's purse.
Abra, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. That was our reporter, Abra Barbia, live on the line to us from the Western Cape, where DA members marched outside the Western Cape High Court, where SANRAL has applied to keep tolling details a secret.